Unlock effortless collaboration and distribution for your glorious model with a simple Dropbox link. Today, we're diving into how to create a shareable Dropbox link. Specifically for your glorious model files, this is perfect for sending your creations to clients, collaborators, or just sharing your progress with fellow enthusiasts. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Dropbox account. If not, it's free to sign up. Once logged in, you'll want to upload your glorious model files or project folder to your Dropbox. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping your files directly into your Dropbox folder. Either in the web interface or the desktop application, make sure all the relevant files for your glorious model are consolidated in one place. Once your files are uploaded, locate the specific file or folder containing your glorious model, hover over it, and you should see an option to share. Click on the Share button. It typically looks like an arrow or a plus sign with a circle. A sharing menu or pop-up will appear here. You'll want to create a shareable link. Dropbox usually has a prominent button that says Create Link or Copy Link. Click this button by default. This link is usually view-only, which is perfect for sharing your glorious model without giving editing access. Dropbox will then generate a unique URL for your files. You'll see this link displayed directly in the sharing window. Click the button to copy this link to your clipboard. And that's it. You can now paste this link into an email, a chat message, or anywhere else you need to share your glorious model. Anyone with this link can then access and download your files directly from Dropbox, making collaboration and distribution a breeze. Happy sharing your amazing glorious models.